Okay friends, it's Sunday. It's a gorgeous 60-degree day here in Northern California, even though it is February. I'm in a t-shirt and I really have no business being at the thrift store, if I'm honest. I do not need any inventory. I don't need anything for myself. However, it's gorgeous and I was driving by and I noticed they have these racks out front. 2 big full clothing racks out front so I could stand outside, enjoy the beautiful weather, and do a little thrifting. So come along, I'll be sure to take you into the thrift store and show you what I buy to resell on eBay, Poshmark, and Thredup. And I'll do a haul for you, of course. So I didn't realize this, but this must be the $1 rack. So we'll see if I see anything out here that's worth picking up for $1. American Eagle. I don't know. This looks like maybe it's pretty picked over. What do you guys think? Max Studio. $1. This brand does well on Thredup actually, but I don't know about that particular piece. That's super cute. More LuLaRoe. Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube. We are going to do a thrift haul of the items that I bought from this local charity shop on the $1 rack. Now, first I do want to say, $1 rack or 99-cent day can be a trap for resellers. Resellers, we really have to avoid buying items for 99 cents just because they're cheap, because often they're not great items, we don't make much profit on them, or they're not a good brand, they sit around too long. I know that we've all done this. I know I've done it, and I've talked to many of you in the comments section or on my Friday YouTube Live, and you talk about,
oh no, I made the mistake of buying a bunch of cheap stuff
that's not gonna sell well because it was only $1. I think I did pretty well here. I only got 11 items, including a designer pair of jeans on the $1 rack. But you guys let me know how you think I did. If you're new, I'm Quenby. I am a part-time reseller. This has been a side hustle business for me for the past 10 years. I sell on eBay, Poshmark, Thredup, and Etsy. I'm a full-time psychotherapist. I have another channel called The Grateful Therapist if you want to learn about mental health with me. Let's get into this haul. So, some of these items do have to be washed, and this is a pair of Levi's. Levi's have been selling so well for me. 10 years ago when I started on eBay, you couldn't really get that much for Levi's, but they are definitely selling well. These are the 505 straight. Kind of a modern tag there, in a size 28, and they're like a gray straight leg jeans. I love when they have the name on them. I look up the name. Some do better than others. I don't know exactly how those 505s can do, but I'm thinking minimum 20 bucks. Anywhere from 20 to 40 I can get for Levi's. This is the cutest dress. This is a brand I used to go out of my way looking for. I don't know exactly how the brand is doing now, but it used to do really well. This is the Territory Ahead. It's kind of like one of those, oh, there it was blurry. The Territory Ahead. This is one of those brands that's sold at places like REI, and this is a really cute faux wrap front floral dress. The thing that's so great about this is it's a large. I have a hard time finding large and extra large dresses to resell, and they sell great. I really love the colors. Did you guys see that? Kind of like purple and lime green and turquoise. Super soft. Is this cotton, modal, and spandex? Now, I looked because I was outside. I did not see flaws on this stuff. There are, like I said, a couple things that do need to go in the wash. Now, this I bought, even though the brand is not anything spectacular, but I love the piece and I love the colors on this. This is Gloria Vanderbilt, not a brand that I go out looking for. However, if you see Gloria Vanderbilt jeans in a large size or even a plus size, those have sold great for me in the like $15 to $20 range. This is a size small, but this is such the perfect summer tunic. It's a popover, and then it's got some bell sleeves. Now, you guys know I love my turquoise and blue colors. This is so California. I picked up this pair of pajamas, so it was $1 for the top and the bottom. I have not looked up this brand, but I've done really well selling pajamas. Have you guys? There have been a few pairs of pajamas that I have sold for over $50 when you have the set. There's a brand called Roller Rabbit that has sold really well for me. There's a couple others. I'm fiddling with this trying. Let me show you the brand on these, and I'll look it up and I'll pop in the comps for you here. Bedhead pajamas, size small. They're bright pink and they are covered in like champagne bottles. Here's the print here. Champagne bottles and cocktail drinks, super cute. I don't see any issue with these. It's got the top and the bottom. How cute is that? They're stretchy and soft. $1 for a full pajama set, top and bottom. Really cute. Okay, these are the designer jeans. These jeans retail for over $300 and the brand is Frame. Now, I'll be honest with you guys. I have passed on a lot of Frame denim just because it retails so high, but the resale has not been spectacular for me. I think it's probably because they retail so high. I think I'm gonna get like $75 or $50, but I don't. They usually sell for like $30, but still for a pre-owned pair. These are a size 20 heaven? No.
Not 20 heaven.
These are a size 27 and they're the Lehigh Skinny. So with most denim, if they have a style name, I'll pull out my phone and I'll look it up at the thrift store because sometimes certain styles within the brand do well or don't do well. These are a high-rise black skinny jean. The only issue is there's a little bit of pulling here, like puckering. You see this a lot, and I guess it's because if you wash them in hot, people have told me this, they've written in that if you wash the jeans in hot and the elastic stretched out, or if you wear them too tight or something, you can get a little bit of stretching here. It's not bad. The rest of the jeans look awesome, so I'll just note that and still flip it. This brand is worth noting. It's the brand Junk Food. They're known for their graphic tees, but this didn't look like comps were good on this Atari dress, and it had a spot on it, so I left it. And this is a lot of lower end brands, kind of what you'd expect to see on a dollar rack. So I was disciplined and left all that stuff behind. This top is HD in Paris for Anthropologie. Gorgeous silk top. I couldn't believe this was here, but it was all stained. It was such a shame. I had to leave it. And here I am fumbling around looking for the tag. If you want to confirm that it is indeed Anthropologie, search inside for the tag here where it says made for Anthropologie. I got this Victoria's Secret top in a size medium. This is not the best stuff by the brand, but I'm sure I can get between $12 and $18 for this. Victoria's Secret size medium. It's like a blue long sleeve, kind of burnout. See how it's kind of thin? I like that this one says Victoria's Secret on the back there. Now, when selling Victoria's Secret, the blingier the better. Like the stuff that does really well for me with Victoria's Secret that I can get like 40 bucks for is if there's got like gold sequin pink spelled out or Victoria's Secret spell outs or bright colors. That does really well for me. That'll probably be, like I said, maybe like a $12 or $15 item. This is so spectacular, this top. This is a dry cleaning tag, so the top has been dry cleaned. The brand is O'Deal. This is an older O'Deal tag, but it is a brand that is sold at Anthropologie, and it kind of has like a vintage look, inspired look to it. I love this brand. Look at this. The adorableness of this is too much. It's all ruffles and a circle print, great colors, and it's 100% silk. The back, I guess the back has, it's not open, but there's a lot of beautiful details. Look at the movement on that. I do not see anything wrong with it. 100% silk top for $1. This is one of these brands. Tell me what you guys know, what luck you've had with this brand. The brand is Splendid. Splendid makes the coolest stuff. It's expensive retail, but the resale on it is not great. I usually pass on this brand. However, for $1, I will send it to Thredup. Thredup prices Splendid the way I think it should be priced, and so they'll probably price this at like 40 bucks, and my payout will probably be like 5 bucks. But I won't have to do any of the work. Okay. These are Talbots. I love selling Talbots, you guys. The modern stuff does just fine. These are a 1X though. And this is the modern, the newest tag, Talbot size 1X. These have to go through the wash, I warn you, but they are a pull-on elastic waist pants. And the thing I love about them is look at the detail of the buttons all along the hemline there. Isn't that so cute? Are they like sailor buttons or? I don't know what they are. These have these cute buttons, that button detail. I love that, a 1X Talbots. So those are great. Pull-on stretchy navy blue pants. Yes, please. And I found some good old American Eagle. You might be thinking, oh, that's just a juniors brand at the mall. Yep, but the jeans sell really well. These are cut-off shorts, totally trashed, destroyed, holes, and fray. I'll note all that in my title. This is the classic, the most classic pocket. That's the one people are looking for. These are super stretch midi, and they're a size 12, so they're a good size within the brand, and I can probably get 15 to 18 for a pair of pre-owned denim shorts. These I love, and the only reason I got them is because they are a big size. This is Universal Thread from Target, one of my favorite Target brands, actually. I swear, does this happen to you guys when I'm at the thrift store? I'm like, oh, I love that. Oh, it's Target. I love that. It's Old Navy. Oh, it's like I love everything Target and Old Navy. Classic pull-on chambray lightweight denim shorts in an XXL though, so those will still flip okay. Last but not least, I think this was an amazing haul for $1 each. I was very disciplined not to get a bunch of stuff that I don't want to list. And these again are at Talbot's, and I bought them because they're a size 12. You guys, large and extra large size pants sell so great for me. These are like a career trouser, 12. They're called the Hampshire Ankle. Just a navy blue, skinny, straight leg career pants in a large size. So gosh, I'm so grateful and thankful to have found stuff for $1. It is so rare for me here. We don't have 99-cent day or even half off day at the Goodwill. So when I saw that dollar rack, I was on it. So thanks for watching this fun video with me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye. Whoops. Or is not a good brand. Yeah. Yeah. Right. I should have said in the beginning, I'll show you some of the things I passed on, but I'll just do it. Yeah, I'll get it together. Okay. These are a side these are a side, and it's got a cute button detail down the back, so I can like certainly 5 times my money on that. But it's only $1, so it's only gonna be $5. Not really. Pretty good video. Pretty quick. Get it done quick. I got work to do. How about you?